Introduction. Hi everyone, welcome to this video on monetizing your social media. My name is, and I'll be guiding you through the process. By the end of this 3-minute video, you'll understand the basics of monetizing your social media presence. This is relevant because more and more people are using social media for business and personal branding, and having a clear understanding of how to monetize your presence can help you achieve your goals. What is monetization? So, what exactly is monetization? Monetization refers to the process of generating income from your social media presence. This can be done through various methods, including sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, selling products or services, and displaying ads. Let's break down each of these methods in the next scenes. Sponsored posts. A sponsored post is a post that is paid for by a brand to reach your audience. Brands partner with influencers or content creators to promote their products or services. When you partner with a brand, you create content that aligns with their message, and they pay you for promoting their brand. To get started with sponsored posts, you'll need to have a sizable following and engage with your audience. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. You create content that links to a product or service, and when someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. To succeed with affiliate marketing, you'll need to choose products or services that align with your audience's interests and promote them in a way that's relevant and engaging. Selling products or services. If you have a skill or talent, you can monetize your social media presence by selling products or services. This can be done through platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Shopify. You'll need to create high-quality content that showcases your products or services and engage with your audience to build trust and generate sales. Displaying ads. Displaying ads is another way to monetize your social media presence. You can use platforms like Google AdSense or Mediavine to display ads on your social media content. To succeed with displaying ads, you'll need to have a sizable following and create high-quality content that attracts advertisers. Conclusion. That's it. In this video, we covered the basics of monetizing your social media presence. Remember, monetization is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and what works for one person may not work for another. Take the ideas and strategies we covered and adapt them to fit your unique situation. Recap and call to action. To recap, we covered sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, selling products or services, and displaying ads as ways to monetize your social media presence. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to subscribe to our channel and comment below with your questions. Thanks for watching.